It's like, we had like the worst situation actually trying to go into this tour. Our bassist, Mike P. Yeah, he's really great, but he just got back like 2 days ago from like Japan. He was in Tokyo. He was he found his wife in Japan, so he's going to move there permanently. But he just got back and he's really jet lagged, so he's high as hell on like shit. I don't know what shit, but also we have a new guitarist. The last time we were here, the last 2 times we were here, we were 4-piece. But now we have another guitarist. So here's the downside. He has strep throat, so don't fuck with him. Don't fuck with him. He coughs. And yeah. So and this is, you guys might think this is our first show on tour, but this is actually our second practice. So so hopefully this goes okay. But thank you for there's no but. It's all. Thank you for coming out. This is gonna be fun. Thank you. Yeah. Woo! Last time I was here, I got beat up. So. Wrestling blood. Wrestling blood. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.